Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get IBAN number first Abu Dhabi Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get your IBAN number on the first Abu Dhabi Bank, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your FAB application and then log in using your Face ID or PIN. Then once logged into your account, next is to select your account. Simply tap on your current account or savings account on the home screen, and then once there, what you need to do is select view account details or account details. Then once you do that, you'll see your IBAN number, account number and bank name. This is FAB. Then next is to copy or share IBAN. Tap copy IBAN or tap share IBAN. Then select the method that you want to share, like WhatsApp, email or SMS. The next method is get IBAN from online banking, which is by using your browser. So simply head over and open up your browser on your computer or your laptop. Then go to the FAB online banking site. Then log in using your credentials and select open accounts. Then inside accounts, select the account details. Then simply tap on view and copy IBAN. Then next method is IBAN on bank documents. You can also find your IBAN on account statement, which is PDF, documents, SMS or email from FAB, and your debit card account details in the app as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.